Hi guys, today I'll be doing a bike check. Starting off at the front, we have Colt D-Hart tyre and gum. We have the United front rim with the United hub and United spokes. We have the Federal liquid forks. I recently got these and so far they're holding up quite well. I have the United top load front load stem with the blank headset, as you can see there. We have the Mafia Bikes bars with Aaron Ross's signature grips, and these are really comfy. I recommend getting them. For the frame, we have a stereo exploded frame with blank generation cranks. Had these for a long time and they haven't broken or twisted yet, so they're actually quite good. I have Odyssey twisted PC pedals with a salt sprocket. I have an Alone bottom bracket, and I have got a Demolition seat post with an S&M kind of fat seat. And on the back we have a Colt 410 chain. This one hasn't snapped on me and I've had it for like 4 months. And I have another Colt D-Hart gum tyre. I also have a Salt Plus Summit rear wheel with the Salt Plus Summit hub. Exposure bolts there, up there, there, and on the front. And then bolts are quite good. They haven't threaded on me yet, and I've had them for quite a while. That's my bike check. Hope you enjoyed.